guys, how are you all? So hope you are doing good, and I'm back after long time. So today I'll be doing an October blessings. What's coming up there for you? So you have to choose any of the one pile. Pile one is this blue card over here, and pile 2 is this black light seers tarot, modern wish tarot, light seers tarot. Choose any of the cards, whichever suits you, whichever you feel attracted to. Relax and choose. Okay, so I'll be starting with my reading for what's coming up there for you in 2020. In October. So what's coming up there for you in the month of October? What are the October blessings? So I'll be starting here with your love reading, and I'll be taking help even of other oracle decks and my spirits guides. So angel spirits, what's there for pile 1 in the month of October in love? Who's coming there for pile 1 in the month of October? Okay, shadow of the deck is the commitment over here. So first of all, I feel like whosoever is coming over here for pile 1, you people are committed, okay, or you will be in a commitment relationship. You might get also engaged with this person, okay. You can get hooked up with this person very soon in October. You both have same life purpose, you can have same hobbies, and you both have gone through a lot. You have different, like you can say you have bad time at the past, but soon you are recovering it, and you can go with flow with this person, and soon you can get a commitment with this person. For some, if you are single, and if you are already committed, so you have to surrender to the universe, and because you both have same life purpose, and you have to go with the flow with this person. And let's see more what's coming there for in love for pile 1. What's there for pile 1 in love? What's there for pile 1 in love in the month of October? What is there for pile 1 in the month of October? Spirit angel, please guide me with 1 or 2 cards. Okay, I got 3 cards over here. Honeymoon, codependency. So you both are committed over here. For most of you are committed. Stay optimistic about your love life, and for others you can be in a separation or single. Keep an open mind. Shadow of the deck is the keep an open mind. So you have to keep an open mind over here, because like somehow you both are like in codependent relation, and especially you are affecting this person by calling them, texting them all time, saying them to meet. Either like you are rushing a lot with this person. You don't have to rush, you have to go with the flow only. As I said before, you have to go with the flow with this person, because this person will be very slow whenever they will be coming towards you, and you need to stay optimistic about life, because you are becoming very negative, guys. Pile 1, you are becoming so much negative that you are not thinking positive and optimistic. So start thinking positive and optimistic. Start doing affirmations, start doing meditation, do Lord Shiva puja. It will be very helpful for you all. And yeah, there is a honeymoon, so you both can travel around, and you can have some what we say that, yeah, intimacy while you travel with each other. You can go somewhere to a beach side, to the river side in the month of October with this person. If you are married already, yes, there are chances you can go to honeymoon in the October. So let's check more what your oracle says, pile 1. So what is there for pile 1 in the month of October? Accelerated motion, number 1, base chakra. So guys, you need to work on your base chakra, open your base chakra, do lots of meditation, and yeah, you need to work on your base chakra, do lots of meditation and think positive, because there are lots of hope still with number 8, star. So what's there for pile 1? Solitude. So most of you people are spending time alone and you are hoping a lot. Okay, within 8-9 days in the month of October, you will be start getting lots of changes in you. You will be moving on very soon, slowly. And this person also, as I said, this person is very slow, and yes, they will come towards you very slowly. And yes, here it is like Ace of Cups. There will be a new beginning in the month of October, whether it's your love or career. Yes, there will be lots of career changes. Somewhere, some people will be becoming pregnant, and yes, there will be a new beginnings, new gifts coming your way. You will be getting your blessings from universe. So what's there for pile 1 in the month of October? 9 of Cups. Wow, Cancer, Scorpio or Pisces, you or your person could be. So what's there for pile 1 in the month of October? Queen of Wands. So there is, sorry guys, my video got cut. Yes, there is 8 of Cups and Ace of Wands. So I'm sensing the person coming towards you can drink a lot. They can party a lot even. Sorry guys for again interruption. So yes, this person can love party and they'll drink a lot. I'm sensing for some, for others they see you as a wish fulfillment, and they are seeing you as a very beautiful queen. They want to make you their queen. I also sense like you both guys are not in contact situation. Might you have walk away from this person, or this person have might walk away from you. They have, like, if it is a recent person, yes, they are seeing you they are seeing you as their wish fulfillment, and yes, they want to talk to you, they want to come towards you. If you had a less talk for some over here, and yes, this person will come towards to you with Ace of Cups and Aces. Yes, there will be new beginning will be starting in the month of October. Whatever you are thinking regarding career, this thing will be turning into your wish fulfillment. Everything will be like in your hands, and you will be running all the way with this fire rod. And there will be a new beginning. For some, you will be getting a commitment also. Your wish fulfillment will be coming true, and for some, you can even go to a tarot line over here. You can be a witch, you can be a psychic. Okay, so your wish is coming true in the month of October. Be it it's your career, you will get lots of career changes ahead. And let's see more what is coming there for you in the month of October. So what's coming there for pile 1 in the month of October? So there is the moon. So after full moon, there can be lots of changes around happening with you and this person, if you are thinking, if your commitment. And yes, there is lots of runner chaser game going on right now, and it can go even in half of the month of October. But yes, after new moon, there will be lots of changes coming ahead with you. This person can be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you could be. Let me know on comment box, guys. So this was my pile 1 reading. Hope my reading resonated with you. Do let me know on comment box. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you, pile 1. Hi, pile 2. Let's see what's coming there for you as October blessings. So let's check out. So what's there for pile 2? Sorry, what is there for pile 2? Yes. Hi, pile 2. So let's see what is there for you in October blessings. 10 of Swords, 5 of Pentacles. What is there for pile 2 in the month of October? What is there for pile 2 in the month of October? So there's 9 of Swords. I'll take, sorry, I've forgotten, please guys. I'll take my oracle cards first as I did in my first pile. So I forgot for pile 2. So let's go again with pile 2. What's coming there for you in love in the month of October? Angel Spirit, please guide me relevantly. What is there for pile 2 in the month of October? So there is emotional freedom over here. What is there for pile 2 in the month of October in love? What is there for pile 2 in the month of October in love? It's not going down, so I'll take my side. So there is distorted feminine. What is there for pile 2 in love in the month of October? So there is soulmate. So I feel you over here, if you are female watching here or male, you could have even a feminine energy if you are a male. And there is a love coming towards your way in the month of October. This person either could be distorted feminine or they could be distorted person, basically distorted person from heart. They have gone through a lot and they are still feeling somewhere distorted. Either their ex have made them distorted person. So right now this person wants freedom. They just want to enjoy themselves. They are emotionally involved with you. They are emotionally thinking of you, but somehow this person still wants freedom. And yes, this person do love you, and you both are going to some spiritual journey right now. You both are soulmates. You can be even a twin flame connection over here for some. But right now I feel you have to work on your heart chakra basis. You guys are not working on your heart chakra. So let's see what is there for pile 2 in love in the month of October. What is there for pile 2 in love in the month of October? Let go of control issue. Allow the situation to unfold naturally. Yes, so you have to let go of controls. You don't have to control this person. If you are trying to control this person, so you have to let go. Either even this person is somewhere controlling you. What is there for pile 2 in the month of October? Pay attention to the red flags. What is there for pile 2 in the month of October? Separation. So I feel you guys are going in a separation. If you are going through a divorce also, still you can be in a separation right now. But you need to pay attention to the red flags right now. Right now these flags are just for making your attention, making you like to not control right now the situation. Go with the flow. And if this person wants freedom, so give them a freedom. Okay, don't like just control them all time. ask them to call you. Same thing came in pile 1, so in a different way, so you can even check that if you felt resonated. Okay, I feel you should check pile 1 somewhere. So yes, you need to pay attention to the red flags, guys, and because they are saying you to just stop right now, and you need to let go of your control issues. You need to forgive your past and forgive this person. Stop holding on to you, stop punishing yourself even. So stop doing that. So you need to forgive and learn in the month of October. So you will be, for most of you, you will be forgiving and moving on either with this person or your soulmate. But this person can also be your soulmate and the new person coming up in your life. If you are single, they could be right now disordered and they want like lots of freedom, but they will be loving you a lot, and you both somewhere can be in स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी गाइस. बहुत ही स्पिरिचुअल मेच्योरिटी से आप लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे जब भी मिलेंगे. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट योर oracle says about you, what's coming there for you in the month of October. Firm foundation, number 4, 4 of wands. So what's there for pile 2 in the month of October in love or career? Third eye chakra. Work with your intuition, guys. Please start working with your intuition and choose wisely. 7 of cups. And there is the last card is the hope. So please keep on hoping, guys. You are losing hope a lot that you can't do anything. You are actually disordered feminine over here. If you're a female, yes, you are still disordered. You have given up a lot. You have given up totally with this connection. But there is still chances either this person can come towards you and they will ask you for stability or for, and if you are already committed with this person, yes, you can get married, but they will be taking lots of time with you, and they could have lots of option, or either you can have lots of option, but this person will be choosing you only very wisely, and you need to work with your third eye chakra. Okay, and I am also sensing this person is very intuitive and they work with their intuition. They are a deep thinker. So yes, they will be choosing you, but they will choose very wisely. And even there is a red flag for you, like you need to choose very wisely. If you are thinking of your ex and you guys are in separation, please pay attention to the red flags. I'll say note for it. So you have to choose wisely. So what is there for pile 2 in the month of October? What is there for pile 2 in the month of October? Sorry, यहाँ बहुत सारे cards आ गए. So what's there for pile 2 in the month of October? Angel Spirit, please guide me relevantly. What's there for pile 2 in the month of October? Wow, 2 of cups. So your soulmate is coming, guys. See, your soulmate is coming. They will be very disordered. Like they have gone through a lot in their past. And there is 4 of wands. So there is 2 times. So yes, this person wants stability with you. And there are chances they will party with you. They will meet you very soon in the month of October. And they will ask you for stability. And you can see lots of 11, 11, lots of 4, 4. When you meet this person, there is lots of 7 and 6 number can be important for you. Number 17, 222, you can see a lot. So there is stability coming your way in the month of October, either even in love and even in career. So there is 2 of Pentacles, shadow of the deck. So let me advise you. Pile 2, if you are losing hope, don't lose, don't be disheartened also. that nothing is happening, I have given up. Yes, you can give up, you can surrender to the universe as you are still confused with Two of Pentacles. You are very much confused regarding even your finances. You need to just surrender and take actions. Don't lose hope. There is still light in your life coming your way. If there is lots of conflict with this person, it will be resolved very soon. And yes, you both will be getting stability in the month of October. So this was my reading for pile 2. Hope my reading resonated with you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit bell button icon with like. And if my reading resonated with you, please do let me know in comment box. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye. Take care.